Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, solid-state drive, fans, and system board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and speaker cables for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the speaker. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.